Good morning, students. Today, your topic is equivalent resistance in series combination. How to find out the equivalent resistance in series combination? Equivalent resistance means total resistance of the circuit in series combination, and total resistance in parallel combination. I will tell you this in next video. As you have studied in previous video how to join the resistances to each other. I described that there are two methods to join the resistances: series combination and parallel combination. In this video, let us study how to find out the effective resistance. Dear students, let us study how to find out equivalent resistance in series combination. Equivalent resistance means total resistance in series combination of the circuit. There are three resistances, R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series combination. In this combination, these resistances are joined in series combination because a combination in which resistances are connected end to end is known as series combination. Let us find out equivalent resistance in series. Let the three resistances R1, R2 and R3 be connected in series. A battery of potential difference V is equal to the sum of potential difference of three resistors. Potential difference of resistor R1 is V1, R2 be V2 and R3 be V3 individually. Then total resistance, total potential difference V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. This is the total potential difference, total voltage of the circuit in series combination. Suppose that this is equation number 1. Let I be the current. Let I be the current flows through the circuit. I be the current flows through the circuit. In series combination, the value of current is the same for all resistors because you know that the path of the electric current is the same for all. So the value of current is the same for all. So let the I be the current through the circuit for each resistor. Now applying the Ohm's law. To the entire circuit, to the whole circuit. Entire circuit means whole circuit. We have V is equal to I into R. According to Ohm's law, total voltage of the entire circuit is equal to I into R. This is total voltage of the circuit. This is, suppose that this is equation number 2. Now on applying Ohm's law for each resistor individually, we see that for R1 resistor, voltage potential difference V1 is equal to I into R1. For second resistor R2, V2 is equal to I into R2. For third resistor, voltage potential difference V3 is equal to I into R3 according to Ohm's law. Note that this is equation number 3, this is equation number 4 and this is equation number 5. Now yet all these equations 3, 4 and 5, we get V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. V1 plus V2 plus V3. This is the total voltage, total potential difference of the circuit. Suppose that this is capital V is equal to, here let us see, I is common in all. So I come out in bracket R1 plus R2 plus R3. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. At the place of V, put the value. V is equal to I into R. We put value I into R at the place of V. Then I into R is equal to I in bracket R1 plus R2 plus R3. I and I common in both sides. So I is cancelled out. Now we get capital R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the equivalent resistance in series combination. This is the total resistance in series combination. It is denoted by RS. RS means total resistance in series. Equivalent resistance in series is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. From this derivation, from this formula, we have seen that the total resistance of the circuit in series combination is equal to the sum of the individual resistances. Total equivalent resistance in series combination, if there are n number of resistances are combined in series combination. For n resistance in series, in general, if n resistances are connected in series, then equivalent resistance Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 and so on till Rn. This is the formula for the n resistances in series combination. If there are several resistances, n number of resistances are connected in series combination, then the total resistance, equivalent resistances in series combination is equal to the sum of their individual resistances. This is the general formula to find out the equivalent resistance in series combination. Now let us try to solve a numerical question on the basis of this formula, series combination. Here one numerical problem. 3 resistances, 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 5 ohm are connected in series. What is their effective resistance? What is their total resistance? Now let us try to solve. Given that 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 5 ohm, these resistance are connected in series. It is given that 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 5 ohm are connected in series. then their effective resistance, in series combination, RS is equal to, according to formula, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now put the value. R1 is equal to 2 ohm, R2 is equal to 3 ohm, and R3 is equal to 5 ohm. This will be equal to 5, 3, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 ohm. So now the total resistance, the total effective resistance of the circuit in series combination is 10 ohm. In this way we find out the numerical problem. Now today your class is over. You watch the video again and again and complete your HW copy. Then till namaskar.